Right here, buddy, get a seat for that tablet, okay? Let's see what they got going on here. Okay, got it. All right, be starting with you here in a hot second.
Devontae Connor Belcher.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
Ms. Sankarulli, are you ready to proceed, or do we need to wait for Ms. Harris?
Excuse me.
I was asking the public defender a question. Ms. Sankarulli, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to see what's going on. Is Amber on?
She's just, yeah, she's just coming in.
Yes, sir. We're here. We're all set. Sorry about
All right.
that.
People of the State of Michigan versus Devontae Connor Belcher, 219S00557. All right, sir, let's see what we have going on here. That was set for sentencing March 2nd of 2020, for which you failed to appear any warrant if you're arrested at that time. Do you understand that?
Excuse
Connor
me.
Belcher.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sentencing was set for March 2nd of 2020. You failed to appear for that hearing any warrant for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes. Are you asking me if I did?
Asked if you understand why the warrant issued for your arrest.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been in jail now?
Excuse me.
How long have you been in jail?
A day.
And where'd you get arrested yesterday?
Ann Arbor.
And how did you come into contact with police there?
Excuse me.
How did you come into contact with the police there in Ann Arbor?
With police?
Yeah, when you got arrested, how did you come into contact with police?
Oh, they caught me.
Okay. All right. Ms. Harris, are you addressing bond in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Mm.
I did have a chance to speak with Mr. Belcher earlier today, and we are requesting a PR bond in this matter. I did speak with him earlier.
Sorry to interrupt. I need your appearance.
I'm so sorry. Sorry, Your Honor. Amber Harris, an attorney, requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Chanazi Curie.
You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. In regards to bond, we are requesting a PR bond. I did have the chance to speak with Mr. Belcher earlier this morning in regards to this case. And he did let me know that right now that he currently doesn't have a phone or any or he doesn't have an address. But I did speak with him and I let him know that if he needs to appear for court, that he can come down to the court to appear for that via Zoom, since he doesn't have a telephone or anything to access Zoom, so he can appear for his next upcoming court date. And he said that he didn't have a problem with doing any of that. And for those reasons, we are requesting a PR bond.
You being held on any other cases right now?
He does have 2 active holds. He has one in Livonia and one out of Westland. And he also is supposed to be seen on a couple matters this afternoon with the magistrate. And also, I think tomorrow for something else, for a misdemeanor. Yes, sir.
How did you end up coming in contact with police yesterday? What was the nature of that arrest, and are there new charges stemming from that?
I'm not sure how he actually came into contact with officers yesterday. I know that he said that they just apprehended him. So I'm really unsure as to how he came into custody. I think some of those charges that he's supposed to be seen with the magistrate this afternoon, maybe that's what it stemmed from.
Okay.
Because I know this charge is just a failure to appear.
For over a year and a half, yes.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Connor Belcher, you were released to go to Home and New Vision. How did that work out for you?
I passed successfully.
Okay. What are you doing to stay sober now?
I need another rehab.
Okay.
I'm not staying sober.
Okay, I appreciate your candor on that. All right, where are you living now?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless? Okay. Okay. And you have no phone either?
No.
Okay. All right. All right. The history of this case, the defendant was in custody the entire time pre-trial on this matter up to and including the date of plea, was released to treatment upon the plea being taken and absconded from both treatment and from court, of course, and has multiple outstanding other warrants. To assure appearance of future court dates, court will order cash bond. Sentencing will take place August the 12th at 9 a.m. Bond set amount of $5,000, right to post 10%. All right, Mr. Connor Belcher, you're all set.
I'm sorry, Magistrate. Can you let me know when the court date was again?
August 12th.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey.
Mr. Jones, how are you today?
Oh, good morning, Your Honor.
Field State of Michigan, Rosales Jones, 20FB1458 and 20F100072. Defendant was released to treatment. Defendant absconded from treatment based upon reports, or was excused from treatment rather, based upon reports of use of kratom at treatment. For leaving treatment, a warrant issued for your arrest. You understand that? Ms. Harris, did you want to respond?
Yes, Your Honor. In regards to bond, we are requesting a PR bond or a low cash bond. The alternative, I did have a chance to speak with Mr. Jones earlier. He said that he is trying to get back into transitional housing, and he has to go to detox before he's able to get back into transitional housing. He's actually on the wait list for detox, and he's supposed to call them every day to check into that. And I know that he said that he should be getting into detox either today or tomorrow at the latest. He also stated to me that he's been sober for the past 3 weeks. And he also has been attending AA meetings every day in Ann Arbor and Ipsy. And for those reasons, Your Honor, we are requesting a PR bond or a low cash bond in the alternative.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Condition of sentence, defendant was sentenced to Washington County Jail, released to treatments to continue the terms of that sentence. Defendant failed to comply with the terms of that sentence. For that reason, the court will set this for a hearing on August the 12th for sentencing and a violation on the sentencing until such time as that hearing can take place. The defendant is remanded to custody or remain in custody to Washington County Jail until August 12th for the hearing date. Thanks, sir. You all set?
Thanks.
Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.